I'm telling.
Damn.
What do you think goddamn about?
You came up and popped me in the leg with one of your slags.
Oh, you get over it.
Yeah.
So my truck's exhaust decided that it was going to break. Bitch. So my truck's exhaust decided it was going to break while we were riding down the road. So now I'm fixing it for good. It's going to get a better pipe. More importantly, a new pipe. And I'm actually upgrading from swing set pipes. Because I figured that a $150 truck is actually better for me to put money into it, right?
Yeah.
Put more than $150 in it. This is a $14 pipe, the most I spent on the truck since I bought the son of a bitch. So. Oh yeah, Drew's never been in the beast on our YouTube channel.
What's up?
I know what the fuck I'm gonna call this video yet.
Welding shenanigans.
Don't make me. Don't make me put an extra long piece on that. Like that.
Oh, God. You're not looking at it, are you?
I wouldn't doubt it if he did, to be honest.
What, Gabe looking at it?
Yeah. Now it's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video. However, would you believe that's hot as a son of a bitch?
No! You don't say.
Anyway, it's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video, and Drew had the wonderful idea to start making a YouTube video out of this. Start making a YouTube video out of this. Kind of sad, I don't even know how many subscribers I got in here.
Well, if nothing else, you got a video for when we were welding up your exhaust.
You know there's like 4 videos of me welding up exhausts on my channel.
I know what you can call it.
What?
Turn down for what? Because
Part 1,
turn down.
For what? I think every exhaust system I've ever done either had a turn out or a turn down on it. I don't think I've ever done just a factory exhaust system that went straight out the back and turned left or right.
Really?
Yeah. This one might be a little crooked though. But I ain't tripping.
It's okay. Most of your girls crooked anyway.
Most of my fucking sexuality is crooked too. Have you noticed that?
You're not wrong.
I told David, my buddy Dave was going to start up a YouTube channel, and I told him the good thing how you build a YouTube channel quickly is make them question your sexuality.
It's always a good start.
It should make you look gay. But always have a girlfriend. Fuck, that was scary.
What the hell was that?
I had this too close to this, and I went like this, and it hit it, and it shot a fireball out of it up in my face.
Whoa.
It happens from time to time.
Are you out of gas?
No.
Wire.
Yeah, wire. You press the,
Stop.
yeah, the square.